po.
Suot ko yan kagabi. Kahapon.
Kahapon.
Papuntang
So,
taping.
Yung mga ganyang medyo ambastos.
Ah,
So,
Pero at least yung mga fans mo, pinagtatanggol ka agad.
okay. Hindi pa kasi ako
Kagabi lang yun?
nag-phone.
Paggabi ng
Hindi kasi ako pala phone. Pero now that I'm seeing this, I'm sure na I'll do something about it. Kasi even before naman ako bumalik sa showbiz, dyan din naman isa sa rason kung ba't ako umingay. Kasi I'm really vocal about
Right.
protecting women, protecting me against any sexual assault or sexualizing women. Yun talaga yung advocacy ko. So now, seeing that, that's the first time na nakita ko yan. Pero yan siguro yung tinatawag sa akin ni AZ kanina.
Ano?
Hindi kasi ako nagpo-phone, low-bat yung phone ko, so 1% yung phone ko. Pero tumatawag si AZ, tapos nagte-text siya, sabi niya, love, nag-text ako. Tapos may sinasend siyang picture, low-bat ako, hindi ko nakita. Siguro yan yun. Pero now that I'm seeing it, hindi ko yan papalagpasin. Of course, hindi dapat nagiging entertainment yan in any forms. And at the same time, I hope the platform or the app should do something about this because it's not petty, it's not something na any woman or anyone, not just women, should experience on a daily basis. Also, sobrang nagulat ako kasi papunta lang ako ng trabaho niyan. And imagine kung gaano kahirap yung buhay ng isang babae. Nagtrabaho ka lang, may nagpa-picture lang sa'yo. You're just being kind, you're just being a human, a decent human being. And you'll get this in return. So, and it's not, again, it's never about the piece of clothing. Nakapantrabaho ako. Maayos ko siyang kinausap. As far as I could remember, ang bait-bait ko sa kanya. Nag-tip pa nga ata ako kasi naiya ako pag may pinaghihintay akong tao. So, wow. I hope na your family, your mom, your sister, or worse, if you have a daughter, your wife, diba? Parang, sana makita nila to at sana makita